Finally, work's over. I'll get to go home. Oh my god, my crazy neighbor's drilling or something again. What is that noise? Let's go investigate. Yo, Dave! What's this? I'm gonna park up and walk over to investigate. Dave again, every day. Oh, stupid great plants. Every day as well. I'm stuck in my great plants. Oh. I'm gonna have to get the mechanic. Screw this. Dave's being stupidly loud. I gotta go check this out. Oi, Dave, you knob! Where are ya? Is that a jet engine? Yo! Anyway, thanks for watching that little intro. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Roll Media. I'm happy to have you with me here today. Today we're going to try break the speed of sound with some particular pigeons. So you could say this is Pigeon Mach 1, or see if we can get the speed of sound in an aircraft. This thing will be for later because this thing looks interesting. I've also got one with a single jet engine that's massive. Let's get away from all that noise. Let's go into the propeller one that they've got, I guess. It's 3 wheels for extra lightness. Oh god. Alright, wait. Alright, controller go down. I need to use keyboards because this is stupid. What button is it to accelerate? Oh, okay, up arrow to accelerate. That would be a lot easier to know. Ah, wrong button. Right. Into gear. No, 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 no! Dave, your stupid pigeon don't work. Oh my god, bro. Dave with his stupid projects. I hate them. Okay, so after about 2 minutes of trying to take off and 3 minutes of trying to find it and then clicking the wrong button, I finally managed to make it to the airport. Keyboard and mouse. Floor it. Let's get going. Yo, we got NOS on this baby. Hold on. Bit of an issue. We need airspeed. Hold on. Make sure everything works. Yep. Alright, let's go. $80, $100. Oh, we are booming and zooming. Why is it working? This is actually pretty fun, you know? You steering to roll. We're banging it off the rev limit. Alright, we're getting a flat out speed of about... Wait, we're in a dive. Pull up. 145 miles an hour. Alright, let's stop revving the engine. NOS. Floor it. We're about to blow up the engine. Let's pull up. We can't. We gotta clear the castle. Yo, imagine actually driving this thing like IRL. Okay, so I realised I didn't have my software paused, but... Oh my god! Oh my god, this thing's about to fly. We got a theoretical top speed of around 300. Oh, look at the wings! Look at the wings! It's a helicopter. That donk. Anyway, we got a theoretical top speed of about 200-300 miles an hour according to this little gauge here. Listen. Alright, what's this idle speed? Idle, move us. I'm tapping the accelerator, by the way. I'm not even, like, holding it. Alright, let's see if we can get off the ground. Alright, so we are up and away at 200 miles an hour. This is so fast. Anyway, I have a big brain plan. Let's remove, let's 50 kilos. Let's make it as heavy as me. Yep, as heavy as me. There we go. Wait, hold on. I have another idea. Idle RPM, 2k. Alright, let's see if we... Idle. Yeah, look at us, we're moving. Alright, let's try take off. Yeah, I don't think we're taking off anytime soon, so... 207. Let's get into some altitude. I want a dive bomb. Wait. Damn it. This propeller snapped. I'm gonna find an optimal RPM and I'll be back. So, as you can see, we've decreased the RPM. Let's see if it can actually go. Yes, it can. It doesn't break. Okay, we found the optimal RPM. Let's go. But the problem is, you need to kind of control it. No! Now let's do this again. Yeah, it has the perfect map. Oh, come on. Come on. 200. Wait. Let's not pull up. Oh, God. Pigeon. No, pigeon. Oh, the jet engine doesn't work. Let's put in my final test run for today. I'm sorry I didn't upload, when was it? Monday? Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't upload Monday. I fell asleep while doing the video. So it will be out tomorrow. So if you're watching this right now, there's probably a video on my channel. Just new. Anyway, let's do this final speed run. Oh no, we've lost our rear controls. Okay, now we're up in the air. Ignore that last run. There should be my... Right, on screen right now, there is a video YouTube recommends to you personally, and one that I put there that is similar to this. It's part 3 and 4 of Can I Hit Mach 1 with a Car? This is a plane. My final entry is 211 miles. This thing is quick. My wings are about to rip off. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and have a good day.